Welcome to HTS. My name is Lil Sotelo, and if this is your first time here, you're wondering who this guy and what he does. I started off learning, as you can see right here on the screen. I want to get to this in a little bit, and stay till the end of this video because I got some free traffic strategies for you as well. So I teach a lot of stuff that I invested in. I teach it here for free, and if you stick around on my channel and look at a few of my other videos, you're going to pick up some traffic sources. Now, due to COVID-19 and this pandemic that we are in, there's a lot of competition out there. So I teach you how to potentially make money online. You have to do the work, and you have to work without getting your links spammed. So I want to run through a little bit of this here, because if you're doing stuff online, or you've been at it on affiliate marketing, or you got your e-commerce store, whatever it may be, a lot of people don't understand fully because they've worked at a 9-to-5 job their whole life, and things have changed a lot. So I want to bring this up right here. I want to open this up and kind of explain a little bit of what this on how this works as going from an employee to an investor. But before I do that, in the description there's going to be a link right below. You could get a copy of my new ebook, Rise from the Bottom of Profits. It's a free ebook. It's free for a limited time. Go ahead and get it in the description below. I'm also going to have a few other links down there to some education that teaches this right here. This is basically wealth education, and it takes a while for the transformation. So let me get to this real quick, then I'll show you what some online real estate is, because I got people wondering, what is it with these pages you make? What is it about affiliate marketing? What is it about so many things out there? But it takes the right mindset. So let me open this up right here and kind of get to the point here. Up here you got the employee. Now some of you might have seen this before. That Robert Kiyosaki teaches it. A lot of other entrepreneurs teach it as well. People who work for others. This is the employee mindset, and these got different benefits in the taxes as well. I will leave a link below as well for a place where you could learn about taxes from a CPA and tax attorney. I will find those links and I'll put them in the description below this video. So right here's when you work for other people. As an employee, you will earn monthly income no matter the company you work for gain profit or not. But what if for any reason you could not work anymore? As an employee, there's a boss who take control of you. Otherwise, how much maximum income could you earn? So a lot of these entrepreneurs, they teach you different things, like, okay, you want to go from here, then a small business. As a small business here, you're still kind of working. You kind of created a job for yourself. And I'm not going to read this whole thing here. It's kind of too long. I want to get into this video. I don't want to take up too much of your time. But you can read it right here, you know what I mean? And that's the S. That's the self-employed. And then you got the big business, where you are the boss. You are the manifesto of people's time, mind, and energy that makes you money. That's more passive income. There's active income, passive income. Then here, as the investor, is where money works for you. If you had a lot of money, you just put it in investments such as paper, sheets, deposit, account, and property. So, as you can see on the internet these days, it's property. People got property, and this is what I'm going to talk to you about here, because there's different kinds of real estate, and it took me a while to learn this. You have to think outside the box and what's considered other real estate. Okay, let's go into right here. I use Kartra. Kartra is a software, which it's also a piece of real estate. So whoever made Kartra is making a lot of money off of whoever uses it. It's similar to ClickFunnels. I use Kartra because it's an all-in-one platform. It has everything here. I get to make my landing pages. So other online real estate is a place like Amazon. I'm going to open this up and get rid of my mug on the bottom. Amazon is a platform. So the owner of this, Jeff Bezos, who you probably already know about, he does not have to work. He created this, and how many people come here a month to come check out to see what products they could buy. You got 3.10 billion monthly visitors. So if some of you don't know the history on Amazon, it started off as like where you could get your books from. You could order books from there. As you can see, it's taken over. It's a huge. It's taken over the internet. A lot of stores, similar to eBay. These people have made it easy for you to get your product directly to your door. So eBay gets. Let's see. Open this up. Let's see how much they get. They almost get the same. 1 billion monthly visits. So you can see those are competitors. And I know a lot of you are looking at this and you're like, well, yeah, you already know this. But there's some people that are new to the internet because of their, they had a job. They're content with their job. And then COVID came through and just kind of ruined it for everybody. So same thing with Google. It's a search engine. We always use it. We use YouTube. Speaking of YouTube, you're here right now. Go ahead and watch my other video. I will have in the end videos here how to make a YouTube channel. It's pretty simple. You just narrow it down to the niche that you want to work in, whether it's golf, sports, recipes, Mexican recipes, Italian recipes, whatever it may be. Work in there, and I will have a video at the end of this video showing you how to make it. It's real simple. As you can see, I mean, Google right here, I mean, this is the first largest search engine in the world. I mean, what people use this all the time. 92.20 billion visits from Google. So you can kind of see, what online real estate is. But there's so many other real estates. Like a lot of people, boom, right here. You have an apartment complex. You own it. This, 60 doors is paying you. What did you do? You have become the investor where money works for you. But a lot of people are not comfortable in the investor part because you're basically leveraging a lot. Other people's time, other people's money. You're building relationships with a lot of people out there. Other people's products you're promoting. So YouTube would be considered other people's product because you are promoting, you are using their platform. And same thing with Facebook. Facebook is, I mean, they get how many? They get how many? Let's check it out. Facebook is up there, the 30 billions, or 25.30 billion monthly visits. So there's the people who created these platforms are they have the mindset of an investor. They have this one right here because they use their ideas. That's what they didn't put in here, like ideas, platforms. This is probably a little older, but this is more towards, they talk about right here about apartments. That's real estate right there that produces income. You get a lot of great tax write-offs. And you know what? I'm going to have another link in the description below this video. You get a free PDF of if you want to do real estate like this, there's a PDF that in the PDF, then after the PDF, I'm going to set you up with a few emails of some live webinars that they will teach all this, and they can't teach it all because it's so much. It's so much in the real estate world, but they will teach you how to buy real estate, and these courses are powerful. It's top rated real estate investing school in the country, and the link is going to be in the description below. It's a free PDF. You can check it out. If you don't like it, go ahead and opt out. There's no hard feelings. But I kind of just want to show you, because I know a lot of people out there are new to all this, some people are worried about using debt. People are worried about using debt, and sometimes, they'll get a student loan, but they won't really consider it. They won't look at it like that. You know what I mean? They would look at it as they got them a student loan. Now they got debt. but how do they pay that debt off quicker? That's what the link in the description below, it'll show you how to pay off debt quicker. If you have a house or apartments, it'll teach you how to pay off that quicker without double payments. You don't have to change your lifestyle, anything like that. So I will have links in the description below. Check them all out. They're very helpful. And let's move on right here. I want to teach you some online real estate here. So I build, some of you see these before. This is a landing page right here on traffic. And if anybody wants traffic, all they do is click right there. I will send them that. This is my own online real estate I'm building, because if you're going to go against somebody like Amazon, these are well established already. Not to say you cannot do it, but it's going to take a lot of work, and my thing is to siphon off of these who already have a lot of traffic. So I just want to siphon. I don't want to create, I would like to create my own later, but as of right now, I want to siphon traffic from these platforms. So these are some other ones that I built. And let me teach you this free traffic real quick, right? Because a lot of people, they use Facebook, but there's a lot of free traffic in here. And this is what I want to talk about down here, or right here in the groups. Go to these groups. Some of them will not accept you, but if you go to groups, like let's say you're promoting in the beauty niche, right there, you want to grow your audience. And I'm not promoting these groups, but since they're here, you can, if you like, might as well go there. I'm not making no money off of it. I'm just trying to help you out, trying to, like I said, teach you some things that I've learned. Whether I invested a lot of time in it or money right here, you're going to get it for free. So I'm a man of my word. So advertise your business. Now these ones right here, like I'm in Utah, of course. These are advertising these, but you got to be careful when you advertise certain places. Read their promotion rules and all that, because recently Facebook has been really tough on me, and I really got to follow the guidelines, because somebody or somewhere they reported my this has been bad, but it's still good because Facebook knows that they got a hold of me and apologized about it. But at the same time, some people don't like people promoting their business. It's part of that, like where they don't want to give you any support. So you could go to these right here. There's so many groups, advertising groups, where you could go in there and pick 3. Whether if you're in the weight loss niche, go in there and be active. Pick 3. Don't overwhelm yourself. And when you pick something like not that one, that's part of my real estate one, but let's see right here. Like weight loss tips. If you're working in this niche, upload a photo. Don't put no links in there. Don't put no spam, nothing like that. Now, if you're making your, I have another video which I'll put over here in a little bit. I'll put it in the cards, where I made basically my personal profile into a landing page. I got my books right here. I got my links down here. So you should be doing the same. It'll help you out. And then when you go to these groups, you just go in there, leave a good comment, leave positivity, and then people will come back, or you could guide them back to your own page. Hey, come check out my page. I got some cool content on there. But make sure you're putting content on your page as well. So yeah, you got to advertise your business here. Another place I go to for free traffic is Twitter. There's a lot of free traffic, and the good thing is you can post your links here. As you can see right here, somebody went to Bitly. They put a link. I could go up here and say, today is Monday. Happy Monday, hustle hard. And then I could put a GIF, one of these GIF, like agree or do not want, whatever goes with what I like, something that pops out. I want to use this OMG for now. So it's going to bring up some OMG, oh my, we use this turkey, chicken, whatever it is. And then on the bottom of this, I could use the hashtags. Monday, it'll bring up Monday thoughts, something that's trending. And then on the bottom, once I put like a few hashtags there, I want to make sure I got enough room to leave my, let's say for example, I'm just using this for example. I'm not going to post this, but I go down here and I will leave that link there. So there's so many ways to get traffic for free, but you just gotta come out of your comfort zone and make yourself known into this real estate world. Like me, I wasn't too happy at first getting out of my, having an image here on the bottom of me recording this, but I like to share what I learned, and if I could help somebody out there cut the bumpy roads, I'm going to try to help. So I just wanted to let you know what real estate, it's not just live apartments like on the everywhere that you see. There's real estate all over. You just have to draw traffic to it. You have to bring your traffic to it, and I'm here to help. So go ahead and get your book in the description below. Also, if this brought you any value or anything like that, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, because I'm making some more of these videos. I'm trying to, a lot of people in this world, even they ask me like, what are you doing on the internet? What are you trying to do? And they don't fully understand because of the way that we are conditioned as we grow up. So that's why I'm here, thinking outside the box and sharing, to unconditioned people to kind of know what we are all capable of. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you very much. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below, and I'll see you later. Have a good day or good night. Bye.